find. Now, if you are talking about this one, suppose I am talking about C2H6. So how can you represent? Here is one carbon, two carbon is there. So that is all bond and all atoms we are representing. So here is the
Yes.
so here we can represent that is 6 hydrogen. Yes,
Yes.
so that is if you are
Yes, sir.
representing all bond and all atoms. So that is what is known as complete structure. Next one is
Yes,
condensed.
sir.
Condensed structure. Okay, wherever you are not able to understand, you make me to stop and I will explain again.
Okay, sure, sir.
Condensed structure, Janab, that is CH bond. CH bond not shown. They are saying CH bond not shown. We need not to show CH bond. So how to represent this molecule? This molecule. So that is we have two CH3. Here is the first carbon. Another is there CH3. Carbon valency I told you yesterday, that is carbon have maximum and minimum 4 bond. Okay, carbon have maximum and minimum how many bond? 4 bond. So that is 3 bond is 3 bond is there. So we need to put the single bond, right? So whatever these two compounds are represented, these two are the same compound. This
Yes,
is the condensed formula and this is the complete formula. Now the next one when you are going, that is the bond line formula. Let us try to understand bond line formula, that what you are asking that on last day. Bond line formula. So they are saying bond line formula, carbon and they are saying hydrogen, carbon and hydrogen not shown, hydrogen not shown. We do not represent carbon and hydrogen. Okay, carbon and hydrogen not shown. And molecule is, they are saying, and molecule is represented by zigzag line. Represented by, I know they are saying zig, then say they are saying jag line. Molecule is represented by zigzag line. These things you need to keep in mind, right? So let us have a look. So here you see already you understood, that is if this all the bond if you are representing, so this formula is known as what? Complete formula. This is what is known as complete
formula.
Now if you are not representing CH bond, so it is going to be CH3 and CH3. This is known as condensed formula. This is the condensed formula, right?
Formula. Yes,
Last
sir.
one is bond line. If you are mentioning two, a simple line, so this is what is known as bond line formula. For two carbon, this is only representation in which you can count out here. How can you count this all the carbon? Here is suppose this is 1, this is 2, so this is 1, this is 2, so this is 1 and this is 2. So this corner is representing CH3 group and this carbon also representing CH3 group. Can you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Let us try to understand one more. Here I am taking this one. Suppose I am having the C4H10. This molecule is there, C4H10. So C4H10, how can you represent? That is 4 carbon. Okay, this is 4 carbon, right? Now we are putting the 4. We know that is carbon valency is 4. So we are writing that is 4 bond. All is having 4 bond. And now that is 10 hydrogens are there. We are going to mention the 10 hydrogen. So 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 9 and this is 10. This all the bond you know shown. So this is the known as what? Complete formula. This is going to be known as complete formula. Then what we are converting into condensed formula. Okay, so complete formula means all bonds shown. No, all bonds shown. If you want to write anything, you can ask me to stop. I will stop so that you can write right now.
Yes, sir. Sure.
I am teaching according to you. So according to your convenience, you can say that is sir stop or explain again, whatever you want to say, just tell me. I will do like that.
Okay, sure, sir.
Huh. Now see what I'm doing. I'm counting this one carbon. So 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4. 4 carbons are there. I'm mentioning 4 carbon. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many hydrogens are there with one carbon? 1, 2, 3. So I'm mentioning here CH3. How many carbons are there in the second carbon? That is 2 hydrogen. So CH2. Third carbon, how many are there? 2 hydrogen. No, fourth
2
carbon,
hydrogen.
3 hydrogen. Now carbon
3.
valency, you got to know that is the carbon valency is 4. So that is 3
Yes,
hydrogens are there, 3 bond. So one line will be there here, 4 bond. This one 2
sir.
hydrogen,
Yes.
1 bond. So here will be line. Here will be line. So that is 4 bond. This is what is known as condensed formula. This is known as condensed formula. Yeah, condensed.
Formula.
Hmm. Here CH bond not shown. CH bond not shown. This is.
Okay, sir.
Now we are going for the bond line. Bond line, I told you that is zigzag line we have to represent. So we counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are putting 1, 2, 3, 4. You can count 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? So this is the what is known as bond line formula. Bond line formula, and they are saying carbon and hydrogen, okay, not shown. We are not going to represent carbon and hydrogen. So what can be this carbon 1? Carbon 1 is representing CH3 group. Carbon 2 representing what is CH2 group. Carbon 3 representing what group, Janab? Tell me.
CH2.
CH group. Thank you. Very good. What about the carbon 4?
CH3.
CH3. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. So this is what the, did you understand this one bond line formula?
Sir, still I have a bit doubt, sir.
Okay, we'll go
Means
for
like, sir, how to represent it on a line, lines that I'm having a bit problem. Means like now you explain like this, sir. But in exam, if they give like this lines, I won't be able to understand.
Little, I am giving you the some difficult example. Let us try to understand. Suppose I am having this compound. What is that is C2H, no, C2H, no, that is not C4. Wait. I'm taking some little bigger molecules. So side C6 and H we are having, we can say H12 is there, C6H12. Okay. So firstly, we are going for the, see, how can you understand? That is the carbon are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6 are there. Okay. Now you see how many hydrogens are there? 12 hydrogens are there. So 1, 2, this is 3. Here is I am writing the 4. This is the 5. This is 6, and this is 7. This is 8. Here is the 9. Okay. So here is 10. Yes, sir. So here is the, you see the, now the bonding you see, Janab. Here you can also mention that is some 12 hydrogen are there. So it can be mentioned. So you can see now the hydrogen are filled. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 mentioned.
11, 12.
But carbon valency you see for this bond, this one is okay. For this one, first carbon, if you are talking 1, this is 4 bond is there. For second, only 3 bond. For third, 3 bond. So what should we do? We can represent here double bond, right? Now you can count all the carbon, that is 4 bond is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All is there. So this is what is known as.
Yes, sir.
This is known as complete formula, right?
Complete formula. Yes,
now,
sir, I understood.
now see, that is 6 carbon are there. Again, I am representing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. With the carbon, this is the 2, this is 3, 4, 5, and 6 was there. Now I am mentioning the position of this one also. Suppose this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now let us try to mention that is which carbon have how many hydrogen. So here if you are talking about that is 3 hydrogens are there. So I am mentioning CH3. With this one, second number how many? That is 1 hydrogen. Third one, only 1 hydrogen. Fourth one, that is 2 hydrogen. Fifth one, 2 hydrogen. Sixth one, 3 hydrogen. Right. Now see the bonding. Between C and C, the single bond is there. Between C2 and C3, what kind of bond is there? Double bond. So I am mentioning double bond. Then C3, C4, single bond. Single bond. C4 to C5, single bond. C5 to C6, single bond. This is what is known as condensed formula, Janab. This is the condensed formula. Can you understand, Janab, this one?
Yes, sir.
Now we are going for bond line. So 6 carbons are there. So we are representing zigzag line. Okay. So here is 1. This is 2, 3, 4. This is 5. And here is going to be 6. Right. Where is the double bond is there? Between 2 and 3 double bond is there. So we have to mention that is between 2 and 3 double bond is there. So this is what is known as bond line formula.
Okay, sir.
Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us try to know the IUPAC nomenclature of this. Okay, this type of compound. So if I am having the first one, I am going to write the name of alkane, alkanes. If I am writing the name of alkane, so that is what is the first of all you see general formula. I am writing the general formula.
Okay, sir.
General formula. General formula is CnH2n plus 2. Where
Okay,
if you are
sir.
talking that is where n is equal to number of carbon atom. N is equal to number of carbon atom. This is the value of n. N is equal to number of carbon atom. Suppose I am writing n is equal to 7. If I am writing n is equal to 7, so it will be C7 H2 into 7 plus 2, right? So multiply
Yes, sir.
C7 H7 to the 14, 14 plus 2. So that is C7 H how much? It will be 16. Getting this one.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now you draw the structure because this is the alkane. So here is ANE, na ANE. So it should be single bond or double bond, Jana. What can be? It ANE.
It's for single.
Single bond. Thank you very much. So AN is there. So all is all single bond. You know, AN is there means all single bond.
All single bond.
All single bond only. Now what we are going to mention here, you see, if you are complete structure, you are writing that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. These are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. A single bond is there. So all the places there will be the this type of bond will be there, single only. Then what we need to do? There are how many hydrogen? 16. We have to put out.
16.
So, 1,
1, 2,
3,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
hmm,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. All, sir.
all are there. So 16 came. Now what we are going to, this is what is known as complete formula. If you remember, this is known as complete formula because all the bond we represented. Now we are going to represent the condensed formula. So condensed formula, that is 7 carbon means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 carbon represented. Each carbon, the carbon number first, if you are see 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we are also counting this one. Then we will write that is which carbon have how many hydrogen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first carbon is having how many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen. Yes, yeah, no.
3
See,
hydrogen.
CH3. Then single bond. Second hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. Carbon, 2 hydrogen. Third one, 2 hydrogen. Fourth one, 2 hydrogen. Fifth one, 2 hydrogen. Sixth one, 2 hydrogen. And that is 7, 1, 2, 3 hydrogen. Yes, no? 3.
Yes, sir.
This is the what, Janab, this is known as what? Condensed formula. Getting condensed formula. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Now this we are going to represent on bond line formula. Bond line formula. So let us see. I am erasing some portion. So I will write that is bond line formula. Let us see. How can we write the bond line formula? So 7 carbon are there. So this one. See 1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
7.
So this is what is known as bond line formula. So
Yes,
now
sir.
I hope that you will be able to understand this type of structure. So we are moving to write the IPAC name. Can we move?
Yes, sir.
So that is IUPAC. That is IUPAC name of alkane. IUPAC name of the alkanes. So see here, how can you write this one? If I am having this compound, right? This one. So first of all, we have to do 1. This is 2. This is 3, 4, and 5. So what will be? That is, I told you. First off, we will write that is numbering. So numbering ideal na.
Sir, how will we know is it alkane or other?
Alkane single bond means alkane. Single bond means single bond.
Okay,
Na?
okay.
Single bond is there.
Okay.
So that will be what alkane only. Just now you told na.
Okay, sir.
So that is numbering. Then we will go that is prefix. Then that is word root. Then primary suffix. Then secondary suffix. Okay. So
Yes,
prefix,
sir.
there is no prefix. There is no F, CL, BR, I, nothing is there. Word root is there. C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. So that is, I told you, 1 carbon meth, 2 carbon how much eth, 3 carbon prop, 4 carbon but, 5 carbon how much is that is pent. So that is we go. So that is, this is the pent. Single bond is there, that is pentane. Getting?
Yes, sir.
So pent plus N, that is pentane. Can you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Now see this one. If I am having this one, so what can be the name of this one? Here is the fluorine.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 carbon means C6, C7. 7 carbon means hept.
Hep,
He. This is the hept.
heptane.
So, but here fluorine is also there now. That is the problem.
Fluoro. 3
Fluoro.
fluoroheptane.
Thank you. Thank you. Very good. 3 fluoro, and that is 7 carbon is there now. So that is hept.
Yeah.
Single bond heptane.
And
3 fluoroheptane. Are you
heptane.
understand?
Yes.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us move. This is there. So here is the F is there, and here is the Cl is there. So what we will do? So rule is there. Rule number 2 is coming. If two prefix, they are saying if two prefix comes at similar position, from both side, then okay, start numbering. What they are saying, then start numbering. Okay.
Numbering.
Start numbering from that side, where prefix gets priority, alphabet priority, ALPHA, alpha
Means
bit
like we have to start from fluorine.
priority. So how, see, if you are counting from this side, from the left side, so it is 1 and 2. If you are counting from this side, 1 and 2. So alphabetically, which
Yes.
is CL or the F?
Cl.
So we will start from this side. Okay, so 1, 2,
Yes, sir.
3. This is
3, 4,
6,
5,
7,
6, 7, 8.
So that is
Oct.
8. Oct. But first of name is what is that is we write that is prefix now. First of all, we
Yes,
write the name of the what prefix. Then we will write the
prefix.
name of the word root. Okay.
Yes. So prefix will be 2Cl,
Uh-huh.
2-chloro, sorry,
Uh,
2-chloro, 7 fluoro,
uh,
2-chloro, 7-fluoro,
uh.
uh, octane.
Octane. Thank you. Thank you. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. I know what you
Okay.
replied. That is excellent. Okay. This is the correct answer you said. So understood this rule. Did you understand this rule?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us change this one. Janab, are you writing also or what you are doing? You want to write?
Sir, I'm writing down in my notebook.
So I am going very fast. How you are writing? It's very difficult.
No, sir, I'm writing.
Please tell me, na. Please tell me. Otherwise, you can record.
Okay. Sir,
Ah,
can you send the recording means like after the classes, please?
I'll send you. But how I will send? You tell me the number, na. Really,
Sir, Gmail should I say or my phone number?
phone number. Phone number.
Okay, sir, I'll write it in the chat box, sir.
Okay, write down. Write down then.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. So we are moving for the next. Yeah, it's getting hanged.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Wait, I'll see the what you wrote in the chat box. It's not visible. It's getting hanged very much.
Yes, sir.
Wait, wait. Yeah. Eight one 4285 814285 2495. Yeah, I got. So okay, I got this one. So what I'm telling you one more example. So here is I mention here that is BR. Okay, and here I mention that is here is CL. This is the place is BR and here is CL. So now try to understand what will be their answer.
Wait, sir.
Tell me. What
Sir,
direction you
actually
will?
the scheme is hanging. Sir, from BRE we will go. 1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
2 bromo, 5 chloro,
Hmm.
hexane.
Yeah, you are very excellent, very smart. Hexane. That is correct. 2 bromo, 5 chloro, hexane. This is there.
Hexane.
So like these things will come. Up now the same things. Okay. Can I erase this one?
Yes, sir.
If they are saying rule number 3 or 4, if two same prefix, they are saying if two same prefix comes 2 times, if same comes 2 times, so 2
Yes, sir.
times is there. So what we can do, if anything is coming 2 types, so what we can do, suppose Cl 2 times came, 2 times
Yes.
2 times Cl, so we will write that is dichloro. This is the dichloro. If anything is coming 3 times, 3 times Cl, so that we will write that is trichloro. This we will write.
Trichloro.
Okay, so this one. Okay, so let us try to write down this one. If I am able to understand, make you here is I am writing Cl, Then again, I am writing that is Cl. So, okay, tell me which direction we will start numbering.
From Cl only.
From Cl only. So we are going to count out this one. So here is that is 1, this is 2, this is 3, here is 4, this is 5 and 6. So now,
Dichlorohexane.
but we need to write the position also. 2, 3
Okay, 2,3 dichlorohexane.
dichloro, it is going to be hexane. 2, 3.
Yes, sir.
This is the IUPAC name. So already you understood very well.
Sir, four carbon atoms means how? What do we say?
Bute, 4
Like
carbon.
butane. Okay, sorry.
That
I
will
forgot
be
actually.
bute. I'll send you the recorded lecture also to you, right?
Okay, sure.
Now let us move forward. That is alkane name you will be able to understand. Now we are going for the
Yes,
alkenes. We are going to write the name of alkenes. So firstly, we are going to write that is general formula. We are going to write the general formula. General formula.
Yes, sir.
So if you are going to write general formula, so it will be CnH2n, this one. So n is equal to, they are saying number of carbon atom, number of carbon atoms. Okay, this is what our heading. Now general formula. So suppose I am writing that is if n is equal to 5, if n is equal to 5. And what kind of the bond will be there? That is En is there. So one double bond. That will be one double bond will be there. One double bond will be there. That is compulsory. There will be one double bond, right? So if n is equal to 5, if n is equal to 5, so what we can do if n is equal to 5? So we are putting this value in this formula. So this will be that is C5H2 into 5. So that is C5 and here will be H10. C5H10. Are you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now I am
Oh,
mentioning
yes, sir.
5 carbon. I am mentioning 1. This is 2. This is 3,
Alkene.
4, and 5. So 5 carbons are there. Anywhere you can mention the double bond. I am mentioning here double bond. So what will be there other than this one we are having, that is only one double bond will be there. Rest of places will be the single bond. You can mention like that.
Okay, sir.
आशा बहुत आवाज आ रहा है. So this
From
is
my
the,
side, sir.
no, from my side only. So here is the sorry, here you go, you see this is, if you are talking about all the bonds are maintained. Here is 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and now 10 hydrogens are there. We are mentioning 1, this is 2, this is 3 4 5, here is 6 7 8
7, 8,
9 and 10.
10.
This is there. Now if you are representing this one directly, you can mention the bond line also. Here is CH3, then it is CH, here is double bond CH2 and CH3.
CH2, CH3.
This is the 1 2 3 4
3,
and
4,
5.
5.
Now you see, if you want to write that is bond line, how can you be? This is the 5 corner will be there. So here is 1 2 3 4 5.
4, 5.
So where is the double bond? Between what carbon double bond is there, Janav?
2 and 3.
2 and 3. So I am mentioning here is the double bond. Okay, this is the double bond. So if you want to write, that is this one. So how can you write? That is the formula already you know, na? So double bond is written at the end. So firstly, that is prefix is there, then word root is there, then primary suffix is there, then secondary suffix. Primary suffix is double bond. What?
Means like instead of ending with an, now we should end with in, right? Like hexene.
Yeah.
Like that we have to end, right?
Yeah.
But sir, rest all are single bond only, na sir?
Yes.
Only one double bond is there. So why do we have to end with in instead of in?
So the one double bond, for one double bond only en is there. If two double bond is there, so if two double bond is there, na, two double bond. So it will be what? Die in. It will be the die in. Two double bond means die in. One double bond means
Okay.
simple in. Okay. Three double bond is
Okay.
tri-in. So its name will be what? The 5 carbon is there, pent, and that is 2-ene. Is it okay?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, can you give some examples?
I'm giving you some example. Let us see. So suppose I am having the, here is the double bond. I am also having the, here is double bond 2 times. See, one rule is
Okay.
there. Our rule is also there. If double bond comes 2 times, if double bond comes 2 times, okay, if double bond comes 2 times, if double bond is coming 2 times, what the rule is saying, if
Yes.
double bond comes 2 times, then they are saying but become buta, but will be buta, okay, paint will be
Okay.
penta, paint will become the penta, okay,
Penta.
hex will be hexa. This is, so you see here is 1, this is the 2, this is 3, here is 4, this is the
4, 5.
5. So what we have to do here, that is we have to start from any direction, but how we are writing 5 carbon means pent.
Paint.
So double bond is 2
Yeah.
times the pent becomes, that is
Penta.
penta, and position on
Yes.
1 position and 4 position, what is their double bond? Di, and that
Double
will be
bond.
in
Di-eth.
penta, 1
Di-ene.
4 di in. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Sir, can you give more examples? Like, I'm still not good with this one.
Okay, okay,
It's
okay.
like double bond I'm facing problem.
So suppose I am mentioning here double bond and here double bond. Okay. Let us tell me
Okay.
from which direction we have to start numbering. This is the
From that,
left side. No,
yes,
no,
sir,
this is
from
right.
left side.
This is right. This is right side.
Oh, yeah, from right side. Sorry.
This is left. Because double bond will get the less number.
Yeah, double bond is on right side.
So that is what numbering 1, 2, this is 3,
2,
4,
3,
5,
4,
6.
5, 6, 7.
So that is this is total carbon is 7. So that is 7 carbon is hept. Okay.
Hepta.
That will have hepta. Then position we have to write.
1, 6.
No, this side, na 5, 5. Here 5 is there, na 1, 5.
Okay, yeah.
1.
1, 5. Okay. Sir, I'm getting a bit confusion. Like, at which point should be the means like 5 or 6? That
Less
1
one,
or
less
2
one,
that
least
I'm
one,
choosing.
less number.
Okay,
We have
less
to
one.
allow
Okay, sir.
lesser one. Here like
Okay,
that
die-in.
1 2 is there. Now we can't write 2. We have to write the less one, 1.
Yeah, 1.
Similarly,
Okay.
5 6 are there, so we need to write the 5 1. Getting?
Smaller one. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is, you can, if you want to write, you can write.
Yes, sir.
Completed? It is done, Janab?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So again, you join the same link you join again, because it is going to disconnect. 1 minute left only. So again, we will again you join.
Okay, sir. Sir, till 8:30, right, class?
Yeah. So again, you try to join.
Yes, sir.